Welcome to this video in which we will assemble this rigid coupling, and after that we will apply the exploded command. So let's start. First of all, select assembly and click OK. Now we will import the component we have made in our previous videos. Select Flange and open this. This is our flange. And now let's import another flange like this. And now click on rotate component and rotate the flange. OK. Now select this face of the flange. Click on mate. And then select this face. It's aligned. Now select the inner pipe of both flanges. Click OK. To assemble it completely, select the inner surface of this hole and select this hole of the flange. Now it's perfectly aligned. Now it's time to import the bolt. Click on insert component and insert bolt. Now select the inner surface of this hole and the outer surface of the bolt. It is aligned. Now select this surface of the flange and this surface of the bolt. Now it's completely assembled. It's time to import the nut now. Click on import component and click on nut and import it. Place it here. Now select the inner surface of the nut. Click on mate. It's appeared here. The inner surface of the nut is selected and now the outer surface of the bolt is selected. It is appear here. Click on OK. Now in order to completely assemble this, you can move this like this and click on the outer surface of the flange and this surface of the nut. Now this is completely assembled. Now we have to insert the bolts and nuts so that it can be completely assembled. Click on circular pattern command. Select nut and bolt from here. This is bolt and select nut as well. Both of the nut and bolt have been selected. Now select this and select this surface. Now we have to align these bolts. Just select equal spacing. This one. Now they are equally spaced. Click on OK. Now the assembly has been completed. Now let's make animation of this. So first of all, select this option. Right click on it and select this new exploded view. First of all, we have to select all the nuts and explode it. So select one. Instead of selecting one by one every nut, just expand this bar and select all the nuts from here. Close this and now move on Z axis. Click on Z axis and move toward right like this. Scroll down and Specify distance here 3 mm. Done. Now it's time to select all the bolts. Select this one and expand this bar. Select all the bolts from here. Now click on Z axis, move toward left and make this distance as 300 mm. They are shifted toward the left side. Okay, so in case if you have pressed enter button on your keyboard, then don't worry, we can view again the exploded view like this. Now it's time to select the flange one. Select the Z axis and move toward left. Specify here 100 mm. Similarly, we will select the flange 2, that is the green flange, and then we will shift it to the right side. Expand this bar. Select the flange 2. Select the Z axis and move toward right side like this. Specify here the distance 100 mm. Click OK. So here we have exploded view. Right click on this option, collapse, right click, explode, right click, collapse, right click and select animate explode. Now you can play it from here as well. So this was the complete series of making a flange coupling. If you missed the previous videos, you can find the link in the description. Thank you.